All right, so we're back in the kitchen because that's where the real alchemy happens. And first rule in my kitchen, if you're new here, we don't waste shit. Last recipe needed coconut milk. There was some left over. So instead of letting it rot in the fridge like forgotten potential, we're flipping it into peanut sauce. Work smarter, not harder. Same ingredients, new function. That's energy too. Now, I'm not going to break down every goddamn ingredient like an encyclopedia. I'm just going to give you the important stuff. This sauce right here is grounding but not heavy. Peanut butter and coconut milk together hit the root and sacral chakra. Safety, nourishment, and creativity. This is you're allowed to feel supported energy. Good for people who are constantly in fight or flight but call it productivity. Garlic, ginger, turmeric. That's your solar plexus crew. Digestion, inflammation, stagnation, anger you never said out loud. These don't ask politely. They move things, especially turmeric. That's anti-inflammatory in the body and in your emotional patterns. Less reactivity, more clarity. Lime juice cuts through all of it. Heart and throat. Truth, circulation, flow. It keeps the sauce and you from getting stuck or dull. Soy sauce and a little brown sugar, that's balance. Sweet and salty, a little umami, nervous system regulation. Stop swinging between extremes. Now, this is important, and I'm putting this on cold application. But you can do whatever you want with this sauce. You put it on noodles, but I'm doing a cucumber carrot salad. Cucumber is cooling, hydrating, calming, crown and nervous system. This is for people who run hot, overthink, overstimulate, and wonder why they're fucking exhausted. Carrot hits the root and vision, grounded clarity, not disassociation, not floating. You're here in your body. Red onion just clears, period. Energetic mucus, emotional congestion, suppressed resentment. If an onion makes you cry, congrats, you're releasing energy. Jalapeno lights the fire just enough. Metabolism, circulation, stagnant energy, not chaos, but activation. And cilantro, don't get me started, detox herb. Heavy metal remover, if it tastes soapy to you, it's not a personality fucking trait. That's your body asking for a cleanse. So what you're eating here isn't just salad with sauce. It's grounding plus movement. Cooling plus activation. Support without numbness. Food isn't just fuel, it's instruction. And today's instruction is simple. Use what you have. Move what's stuck. Don't waste your energy or your fucking ingredients. So, look how pretty this looks. It's all layered in here. However, I put the cilantro in here. Work smarter, not harder. Why chop it if you're going to buzz the sauce? So now I'm going to pour half of this sauce on here because it's a lot for this portion. And guess what? I'm going to take the other and I'm going to make cold sesame noodles with it. But this, I'm going to pour the sauce on this now and let it sit in the fridge for at least minimum hour. The more it sits, the longer the flavors marry one another and it's just pure deliciousness. Not to mention, remember, summer bodies are created in the kitchen and they're created in January. So start now, get in the kitchen, get cooking. I hope I inspired you to get into that kitchen.